I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Open Google Forms and sign into the same Google account you will use to collect responses. Select an existing form or click blank to create a new form in 3 clicks or fewer. Verify your form title and questions before sharing with anyone to avoid edits after distribution. Click the Send button in the top right corner to open sharing options. Click the link icon to reveal the full share URL for your Google form. Use the Send dialog and check the Shorten URL box to generate a compact link instantly. That checkbox makes a shorter form URL without leaving Google Forms. Or copy the long URL and paste it into a URL shortener such as bit.ly to create a custom slug. Choose a descriptive slug like Event 123 or Survey 2025 to help recipients recognize the link. Short links reduce email line breaks. Set response restrictions under Settings to limit to 1 response or allow multiple responses as needed. Toggle the option labeled Anyone with the link for public access or restrict responses to your organization if required. Copy the final link and paste it into email, chat, social posts, or embed it on a web page for easy access. Consider generating a QR code from the short link for print distribution or presentations to make scanning fast and simple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.